market / trade breakdown today for M&Q. We hit a break-even trade, but technically speaking, we hit full TP because the reason we hit break-even is because ES took the objective. Yeah, let's go on to a clean chart and let's talk about it. So, go on to a 1 hour chart. There we go. Market of London. Bang, and 12 o'clock. Let's chuck in a midnight open as well. So, originally I was thinking potentially we had a sell day because we had this high inside this fair value gap. We had SMT on it. However, time did not align for this high as we made it at 7:15, which for it to be a New York reversal would have to be made at 8:30 or 9:30, which was not one of those things. So we then thought we'd be a buy day, but until we got to here, so 9:30 is right there, I said I want to see this up close candle closed past to confirm the order block, and we did not get that. So that made me change my bias from a New York reversal, which isn't even valid, well, a sell day, a classic sell, technically classic, it's not really classic because London didn't make it, but a sell day into a long day. We also had, well, we've got this weekly opening gap inside here, but yeah, so this would be a New York reversal profile to here. This would be our target. So originally we thought sells with this high day, but it was invalid time and we didn't close below here, confirming the order block, hence why I changed my bias. So that was my objective. We're in a New York reversal profile and let's find an entry. So we waited until 9:45 and we did not close below it. So I believe our entry was post 10 a.m. Yeah, 10 a.m. was my entry. So as you can see, 10 a.m. here, got this order block. And why is it 10 a.m. as well? Let me show you why. It's because 10 a.m. Oh, let me go on the 15. 10 a.m. Well, 9:45 closed above this order block. Right there. So we could then use that in 10 a.m. to dip down into it. So we looked at this 15-minute PD array and then we scaled into the 1 minute. So we got an order block down. That's our first order block. That's the first entry. We got a second order block into it, which was my entry here. We closed above and then my entry was like right there. Stop was at this low, I believe. And target was here. They've had a better stop loss than that. Where was my stop loss? Because I had the 2R. It's like a 2R. I know it was there. Yeah, so that was my stop loss. As you can see, the executions on the 50k account. We did have a trailed stop loss here, which we netted $100 today. But yeah, let me show you. So now you know my entry. Right there. what we did was, I don't know why it's not saying 2R on this chart, but yeah, you know, that was my entry right here because that was the propulsion block. Target was there, and we did have a couple of speed bumps in price. We had this CB here that was holding, and then we had this CB here. If you look on the 1 minute, was all the way just chopping. As soon as we close above it, we then move higher. I believe there is a clip, so I'll try and find it and put it in the Discord of me calling. I believe it was 10:29, or on my chart it was. On this chart it's a bit off. But essentially, we was just riding this trade. When we got to this area, what we was looking at was on ES, right there. This is London high. Well, not London high, but high of day. And as soon as we hit right there, as soon as we got to here, I put my stop loss to break even, because ES had already taken out the London high, meaning that NQ doesn't actually need to anymore. So we've got an SMT that would look like this. Bang, bang. Went break even, a little bit above break even, I believe I put it like somewhere around here. I'll show you in the other chart because this one's a bit off. But yeah, ES took the high, completed the job, and I put my stuff just a bit above a break even, and then we hit break even. So yeah, it's a bit annoying we couldn't hit full. Would have been nice, but we analysed why we wouldn't hit full. We wasn't blindly holding, and we managed stop loss accordingly. So yeah, that was the trade today. Very good day. Even though we didn't get a win on it, we still executed, and we still profited a little bit. But yeah, it was a nice little trading day. Just see if there's anything else. Don't think there's anything else. Yeah, that's it. So yeah, we're up $100 today on our break even. But yeah, perfect stop loss placement above break even, because we knew if we took this on ES, then we would likely not have to take it on NQ, and we didn't. And yeah, we then just closed out. So if we then look at an ES chart, it'll be a lot easier to see the New York profile. Midnight, we'll just do it midnight to 12. And then it would just look like that post 9:30. So yeah, that's literally it. There's a New York reversal profile for you with the execution, and I'll see you guys in a bit. Peace.